The part we've been waiting for, the G60 mount, has arrived, and we get to install the engine. All right, pretty stoked. Got the engine pretty close to where it's supposed to be. So I've put the steering lines on. I attached them to the back of the steering rack where they go. Put the brake booster on. Hook the pedals up, of course. I think I might be ready to set this thing in there. So next we move on to my Mark III gas tank. As you can see here, I was under the car, splicing the wires together, and I didn't even hear the camera die or the battery die. So, you know, got the wires all hooked up, and then I used a jack and a piece of plywood to raise the gas tank up so I could put the straps on and strap it up in there, and then... Okay, so we got the gas tank in, then it goes to the fuel filter, and then the lines just button in right to the Mark II old lines. Then lines go into the little rail here, and they go up right to the engine bay. So these are the lines that come up from underneath, and I'm gonna get some gas hose line, and I'm just gonna route them all the way to where they hook up to the engine here. All right, so we got the engine in, we got the Mark III gas tank in. I'm gonna be buttoning up some little nuts and bolts that I still need to get for the engine bay. The next thing on my list is the brake upgrade. So the Mark III spindles that I got in the last video for pick and pull, I think I've found the brakes that I'm gonna be upgrading to. So I'll make a full video on that, hopefully in the next coming days. And lastly, I know this is a pretty short video, but I was just so excited that I got the engine in, and to see that every day when I come into the shop now, it just makes everything worth it. So I'm really stoked, and I'll see you next video.